You will never believe what's happening. One of the largest Shiba Inu whales has woken up. Over 400 billion tokens. Just as we thought things were recovering from the market crash, Coinbase signaled something truly insane. Is this a moment we've all been waiting for, or is a disaster about to hit? And what is actually happening behind the scenes? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. The last few days have been rough for holders of Shiba Inu. After a massive rally of nearly 100% since the start of November, Shiba Inu's price has taken a sharp turn, dropping close to 23% in just 9 days. At first glance, this might seem alarming, but some saw it as a natural and even healthy correction. After all, the drop didn't exceed a third of the initial pump, and a key price support level held steady. Many believed this could be the starting point for another upward move, and optimism lingered. That was the narrative, until something unexpected happened. Following the latest market drop, an early Shiba Inu investor sold nearly 400 billion Shiba Inu tokens, walking away with a staggering $9 million profit. This wasn't just a bump in the road. It shifted the mood entirely. What began as a hopeful recovery story suddenly felt unsettling. The market wasn't just correcting anymore. It was reacting to something deeper, and the optimism started to waver. But there's something even more important we need to consider. According to LookOnChain, the person behind this massive sell-off wasn't just any investor. It was an early adopter who got into Shiba Inu right at the start. This user bought an incredible 15 trillion Shiba Inu on August 6, 2020, just days after the token launched. Back then, the purchase cost only $3,800, thanks to Shiba Inu's ridiculously low price. Fast forward to October 2021, when Shiba Inu hit its peak price, and those tokens were worth an unbelievable $1.2 billion. This discovery changes everything. This isn't just some random whale selling off their tokens. This is one of the most important figures in the Shiba Inu ecosystem, someone who's been there since the very beginning. Their moves have the power to influence the market in a big way, and that's why everyone is now paying close attention. What they do next could provide major clues about the future direction of Shiba Inu. Ever since, this user has been steadily selling off their Shiba Inu holdings, with the latest activity happening just a few hours ago. According to LookOnChain, nearly 250 billion Shiba Inu were moved in 3 transactions to the Gemini crypto exchange. Shortly after that, another 150 billion Shiba Inu were transferred to the same platform, bringing the total to an astonishing 400 billion in just a few hours. For some context, tokens sent to exchanges are typically sold for fiat or swapped for other assets. With the current price of Shiba Inu, these nearly 400 billion tokens are valued at approximately $9.6 million. What's even more astonishing is that these tokens, acquired in August 2020 for just $100, have now yielded some crazy profit. Data from Etherscan shows that this isn't an isolated event. The user has been selling off Shiba Inu over the past few weeks on platforms like Crypto.com and Gemini. Yet, despite all these sales, their wallet still holds 2 trillion Shiba Inu, worth around $48 million. And it's becoming apparent that this whale is slowly offloading their holdings, doing so in stages rather than all at once. This approach makes sense. Selling everything at once would likely crash Shiba Inu's price, cutting into their potential profits. By spacing out the sales, they can avoid causing a market panic while still securing significant returns. And that's exactly why this matters. Every move they make has the potential to influence the market. And for a whale sitting on billions of tokens, timing is everything. But what does this mean for us, the regular Shiba Inu holders? First, we need to understand that it's not just Shiba Inu experiencing a price drop. The entire crypto market has been struggling yesterday. Bitcoin, the leader of the space, has also seen its price decline. And the same goes for most other cryptocurrencies. In fact, Lucy, a member of the Shiba Inu team, even shared a chart showing over 500 assets trading in the red. This makes the situation even more alarming. It's not just an internal issue within the Shiba Inu ecosystem. The broader crypto market is under pressure, which could amplify Shiba Inu's challenges. When the whole market is in turmoil, it becomes harder for individual assets to recover quickly. And Shiba Inu's price movements are now tied to much bigger forces at play. For Shiba Inu holders, this means the road ahead could be even bumpier. And the whale's actions are just one part of a much larger picture. But there's something even bigger at play here. A signal from Coinbase that's making waves across the entire crypto market. Recently, A noticeable divergence was spotted between the Coinbase Premium Index and Bitcoin's price, as reported by CryptoQuant. This divergence, which leans negative despite Bitcoin's recent rally, is raising eyebrows. For context, the Coinbase Premium Index shows how much demand there is for Bitcoin in the US based on activity on major exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. A higher premium usually means strong buying interest from American investors. But here's the issue. While Bitcoin's price climbed from $90,000 to over $100,000, the Coinbase Premium has actually dropped. CryptoQuant warns that if this price surge isn't backed by strong US-based demand, it could signal underlying weakness in Bitcoin's medium-term momentum. And here's why that matters to us, as Shiba Inu investors. When Bitcoin shows signs of weakness, it often ripples across the entire crypto market, including altcoins like Shiba Inu. Just a week ago, things were looking very different. Back then, as Bitcoin's price dropped, the Coinbase Premium actually jumped. And now, with the tables turned, the market is cautiously watching for what happens next. Amidst all the chaos in the market, Lucy, a Shiba Inu team member, took to Twitter to remind everyone why we're here in the first place. Her post was a much-needed call to focus on what truly matters: the progress Shiba Inu has made with Shibarium. Lucy highlighted some incredible milestones, starting with the fact that Shibarium has already burned over $1.5 million worth of Shiba Inu. That's a big deal because every token burned reduces the circulating supply, making Shiba Inu scarcer and potentially more valuable over time. She also emphasized how Shibarium is making Shiba Inu more practical for everyday use by enabling super low transaction fees. Then there's the foundation Shibarium is building for the future, like staking and governance systems. These aren't just buzzwords, they're key steps toward making Shiba Inu a fully functional ecosystem, not just a speculative asset. But perhaps the most important point Lucy made was about Shiba Inu's reputation. Shibarium has done something that social media hype alone couldn't achieve. It's given Shiba Inu real credibility in the crypto world. Even major outlets like Forbes are recognizing Shiba Inu, not because of memes, but because of the team's dedication and the tangible progress they've delivered. Lucy's message was clear. No matter how chaotic the market gets, Shiba Inu has come a long way. And this is where things start to get really interesting. While Shiba Inu's recent price movements have been disappointing for many holders, technical indicators suggest that something exciting could be brewing. Market analyst Clady Cooney, writing on TradingView, recently pointed out signs of a bullish trend forming on Shiba Inu's chart. Cooney acknowledged that Shiba Inu has struggled to keep up with other meme coins and altcoins during recent rallies. However, he now believes the token is ready to catch up. Looking at the daily chart, Cooney highlighted a clear upward trend that began back in September. Since then, Shiba Inu's price has been climbing steadily, with higher highs forming a distinct oval pattern. According to Cooney, this kind of movement is a textbook bullish signal. What's even more promising is the strong support level Shiba Inu has established around its current price range. This support has held firm for about a month, which suggests that investors are accumulating Shiba Inu at these levels. Cooney believes this period of consolidation could be the setup for a major breakout in the near future. If that breakout happens, Cooney's analysis shows several potential targets. The first would represent a gain of over 25% from the current price. Beyond that, there's a key level that Shiba Inu lost about 10 months ago. Regaining it would mean an increase of more than 60%. And if the bullish momentum continues, Shiba Inu could potentially climb by over 120%. Reaching prices not seen since 2021. Looking even further ahead, Cooney's most optimistic outlook sees Shiba Inu nearing its all-time high by the first half of 2025. That would mean an incredible surge of more than 170% from where it stands now. While none of this is guaranteed, the signals on the chart suggest that Shiba Inu might be gearing up for an exciting run. For holders and investors, the coming months could bring some long-awaited action. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money. So, don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.